Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is my first time unbox this. This is the Converse collaborate with the Golf Le Fleur. It's an iconic profile for Converse. Tyler, the creator, approached the sneaker with his creative flair, replacing the sidewall star with the knit ritual-inspired floral design, and it is made of suede uppers, leather linings, floral star to sidewall. Has a flat laces, volcanish rubber sole, floral pattern outsole. So without further ado, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. This one was a restock from Foot Locker. Actually, my son got the first one, but somehow we received the one from Foot Locker, which is he ordered yesterday, and we got it today because the shipping center was from Chatsworth, California. So within the state to state, you get it the next day. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Hopefully there's no invoice. Invoice something. Oh, I put it upside down. There's an invoice in there. Let's see. Okay. Oh, so this one is the one that is his first order. My bad, he got confused then. This one is Golf Le Fleur. This one is the blue color. Second one he ordered was a green one. So as you can see, it is $100. Wow, $20 for shipping. Tax is $8.75. So the total damage is $128.75. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. They say get a half size smaller because it is not true to size. So normally my son, he wears 8.5 and he got size 8 instead. Hopefully he's right. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Converse.com. Converse. So the woman's size is equivalent to size 10. Men's size is size 8. And then that's the barcode. So let's go ahead and get this started. Oh, come with the dust bag. Nice. So there's nothing inside the box. Wow. We got this pink, kind of like a shoelace for you to tie it. And then there's a knot. Let me unknot it. What? So this first one that he got it from Golf, from the original website. Okay. So it is individual wrap. Let's go ahead and then dig in. It looks like a mummy, like a Vietnamese sandwich. You unwrap it and start eating it. Oh my god. It runs big. What the heck? You gotta. Are you kidding me? There's a stain over here. I'm gonna get my money back. What kind of thing is this? There's like a stain. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this one is also out right now. So Converse All Star Chuck. Taylor. So this is the floral design right here. And you got your flat laces. Ooh, you got the orange color. You got the white. You got the blue color. Let me give you guys a close look. Front of the toe box. Oh my god. Floral design on the outsole. Got this shoes tree. And this one is made in Vietnam. So let's check out the tongue. I'm not sure why they wrap it with a tissue paper here. Oh, nice. You got the golf Fleur right there, and then Converse. So this is a pretty nice suede all around the top section. And then the midsole is, or the insole is pretty cushioned. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. And this one, you got the tag. It says Converse. So same thing, you got like 3 laces, which is nice. So if you, in case you get bored with the white one or got dirty, you could change it. Alright, so let me give you guys on feet real quick before we end this video. Let's see, Converse. So this is what it look like. Let me see. Pull it out. Alright, hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, or and be sure to turn on that bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.